Hey, what's up everybody? This is Will from WM Forge Works, and today I'll be making a jig for grinding your knife bevels. I've got some material on the back table and I'm going to go through what I have and how to put it together, and I'll basically be showing you a tutorial on how to build this. Most people do this for those really nice clean bevels. I've always ground my bevels freehand, but I'm going to try something a little bit different and see how it works out. So here we go. So those are the materials. So I'm going to be using, but I'm going to be welding them. Some people that don't have access to a welder, that's fine. You can always do a workaround. Drill and tap the holes and use countersunk screws so everything's flush mount would work just fine as well. Welding is just a lot easier, and I'm a good welder. Been doing it for 17, 18 years now, so very confident with my welds. But anyways, so this is my version all welded together. But if you don't have access to a welder and you like some of the ideas I post, there are always workarounds. Like I said, you can drill and tap the holes and use countersunk bolts so they're all nice and flush, and that works just as well. All right, and let's go. So as you can see, we have a hinge, piece of flat stock. It's about 3 inches wide by 3/16 thick. Piece of key stock, 3/8, and a piece of angle iron. It's 3 inch by 2 inch. Now I've also went ahead and drilled and tapped a 5/8 hole through it with the 5/8 bolt going through it. It's a little bit on the crooked side, but for our application, it's not going to matter. It'll still work just fine. Top of that, top it all off. 2 pieces of round stock. These are going to be for handles on either side, so you can get a nice good firm grip as you're making your passes. Here's our hinge. Way too long, so we're going to cut this bad boy. Okay, so jig has been made. Gave it a few test runs, see how it performed, and actually it exceeded my expectations. So let me flip this bad boy around, and you can take a look, see how it's put together, and hopefully it's inspire some of you guys to try something of your own. And good luck out there. So here's just welded up the seams. Got the jacking bolt. Got the locking nut. And obviously we got this nice little ledge across here. Set the knife on. And then basically I use C-clamp. Clamp the ting and the knife onto the backrest right here. And the rest is history. This thing worked great. And there's proof in the pudding. There's nice clean grind bevels. Look at that. Like I said, most of the time I do freehand grinds, but I don't know, this was a definite time saver. This ripped right through it like nothing, and gave me some nice clean bevels to work with. That way when I come to hand sanding, I'm not washing them out and making them fuzzy. I can make them nice and crisp and clean. They'll look awesome once I do an acid etch. All right, well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.